Hi everybody, good morning. This is a quick write-up for new room Extract. We need your help. What do you need my help for? Okay, we have they give us a pickup file. Basically, we intercept a network. Of course, this is my file. I was playing around with the scripts. So there's no, I delete all, let me delete so we can start fresh. That's the pickup file. Let's, oh no, that I need it. Okay, we can remove that one too. But it's fine, let's start. So we have this, of course it's a big file, 53,000 line. Of course, what you can do when you have something like that, of course for me I can see I have data, so usually when you start, you expect a GET request or something. You can say HTTP method, for example, is the user do any post. There's no post, I think. If you do GET request, yeah, we have a GET request. It's with data. What we have, hypertext protocol, and then he want to download a file called PS1 thingy. This one, that's one thing you can start with. You can also play around here. We said export objects, and I can say there's an HTTP request. I can say okay, export object. We have one object. You can export, save all. Let's already have it here. I already save it, so yeah, you can say why is not saving? Okay, I already saved it, so you can get it this way. So I'm just showing you the file that after you open it, it's this one. No, not this one. It's this one. You can see this obfuscation. It was trying to make a big thing so you can catch it for detection. You can set it start first looking for proc dump. If he doesn't find it, he try to download. He didn't download because we find only one. In our GET request, it's only one GET request. One GET request was done to this. So basically, he found the program. He don't download, and then you can see he's looking for KeePass, and that's what the proc dump is for. So to and then it's a bit confusing these things, but the most dump count reached, it's dumping down the KeePass, and then you can see in naming the file 1337, and then you can see XOR key. So this is the key for XOR, so we need this later on. There's a temporary file, and then the port is sent it to is 1337, and then this 0, this is I think it's a hex. If I go to, where is that, vim-ip-py, if I do this small Python script with that the hex value and run Python on it, it gave me the IP address. So this is an IP address, this is the port, so he's sending the data through 1337, and then again he go down. The next one is the database. He has a data, he's looking for database. Now we have different keys, so it's 042, this one is 41, this one is 1337, and then he send the database through 338, and we can get this IP. We can check it quickly. If I put the IP now there, I think Python, it's the same IP. Yeah, it's the same IP. but the port is 1338. So the port is 1338. So he's sending two things, the database and then we can come here and okay, let's go back down to this. The one thing is we can check the endpoint. Basically we can see is most of the data was sent in this line and that one. This is good for to know most communication. Then we can go conversation also to give us a clear idea. And you can see the port we're talking about them, so 1337 and 1338. Remember we talk about 1338, this is the key, and then we have the port 137. So we know this, that's why big, because this is the process dump. The 38 is the database is small, you can see it's not a big deal. So this one is the big one. So if I go say apply filter select just A to B, now all this data, and you can see this data now, all this data gets, and this is the data now to extract. Of course you can say follow TP stream, but you just get frozen here. It's because it's no, it's not freezing. No, it's freezing. It's take long. I don't like to do it when it's too many of them. If you go to the data here, and where is the data? You can just say copy the value, and no, the field name, because we're using Tshark. If I go to Tshark, that's why the field name. If I paste what I copy now, the data is data file. So now we need to use Tshark. So basically with Tshark, I'm using this, don't confuse, but because I can use different profile in my no, not this one, because I use I create just default profile for this room, because there is in the other profile default there is SSL keys for other hack the box work. So don't confuse, you can create fresh, like you refresh the setting of your Wireshark. So if you have another room you're working with SSS key or SMB secret or something like that, you can create a new profile so you don't have an issue. So the mine C, just I create a profile called that. So now this one is what exactly we have here. This no, sorry, we're trying with the 37 first. The 37 is, we said, is the process dump. So this is all data we need to collect. So we know the command, the filter, we have that. So we can come here, we copy and put the filter here. That's the filter I'm using here. That's the same filter that is here. The field is, we said, it's data, because you come here and you said copy field name. So we know, so we have the field data. Then we need to extract it to because it's binary, and then we can convert it to, I think it's hex, and then xd minus r minus p. I think what you do it to convert it to binary raw. So this is the DFIR process. So if I run this command, I'll put all this command in the command later on. I already did work here, but let's do them. Let's make let's run them now. Remember the directory I removed, I just left the script of Python, so you can know it's working. So if I run this one, it's about 300 megabytes. So come back to my computer. We have the first file. Dump file is a 387 megabyte. Now we got the first file. Let's extract also the second one. We said the 38. The 38 is the one. So if I go to apply filter, selected just AB. This one is short. We have only two data, 1, 2. So this one you can even copy them, like copy value and just create your own file. Or you can just come again, you can use Tshark and say, okay, the port 38 is same command here, and then you can just run it through Tshark. You can copy that value, it's fine. So let's do that. This one will go straight fast. It's supposed to be fast. Now we have two files. We have the dem database and then process. Now remember what he was doing, this script. He sent to the IP the port, and then you have XOR with a key. So we just need to reverse it. And he has base 64 somewhere. Where is that base 64? He has base 64 too. So we have base 64, we have XOR, and we have the key. I asked JustGPT for Python to help. The script that can do this is this one. So basically, it has the base 64, and then we have the keys. The first one for the process dem, the second one is for the database. So this script will do the whole decryption for you. Now let's, that's what's good with I add this now. So if the script is called this decrypt, so if I run Python, my computer Python 3, and say decrypt, I should set decode first, then we do XOR. Why now it's taking out? Because I'm recording video. When I record video, things start going south. Okay, now it's finished. He said done. Let's check the folder. The folder now we should have two files now. The decrypt and decrypt. You can see this is KDS. If I open it with that, it asks for a password which I don't have. So just leave this for now. Then you said decrypt memory. Then this is the process. Now what you do, if you search for KeePass password, you know what I do in the beginning. This room, I remember I saw it before in Hack the Box, one of Sherlock, if I'm not mistaken. I thought maybe we do the lazy way. Strings, decrypt, decrypted memory, grep, you know, the lazy one, grep minus I password. and then I was laughing myself. There's nothing to find there. Then when you Google it, you find something interesting about this. I remember this page because that's what this room. That's why some people they solve this room fast, because it's one newer room. You can see is this. It's a CVE-2023-3278. I will put the link. KeePass exploit portively test master support. So if you have the process dump, you can do this and you get the master password. There's two ways to do it. I remember when I was doing Hack the Box, the only one I found it is this, and it told me install .NET, and I don't have Windows. It took me a problem in there install Windows. And today I found that you can do two ways. We can find the password directly with that, all of it, one shot, not part of it and then guess the other one. We have this one. And we have this one to install .NET. Now, depend of your version. Let's start with this one because this one gives you the full password without steps. KeePass memory dump extractor. Let me concentrate. Now, I already installed the libraries I need. Now, you need to install cargo, apt install cargo. Then you need to install KeePass dump extractor directly. So you install it through cargo. And then you get this warning and set you the path. You just need to add the path so you can run the command straight. So these steps you need to do. But to install his, and he tell you install cargo. If you don't have cargo, you install like that the path. So you know this is the steps to do. I even did it in a VM here from scratch. So in case this is clear. This is a key password dumper. I was playing with it now, but we can play with it here too. So let's go back what he said. So after you install it, now look what he said. He said to you, KeePass dump extractor. I forgot where is it. Um, um, where's this KeePass now? Let's see what it said. Cargo binary. Okay, it's in dot. Okay, I didn't want to change the path for my main computer, so home. Where is it? Dot cargo. Okay. Dot cargo. KeePass, because I installed it already. Binary KeePass. Here I didn't change my path because this is my computer. In a VM I have it, so I can do KeePass directly the command. And then if you look, for example, here what it said to you, the dump file. So we know the name of the dump file of us is dump file decoder, so decrypted memory dump. So I can tell him decrypted memory dump. What else? And then we say word list. Okay, now first he generated a word list. Okay, he done. After that he said KeePass to John. I'm in Ubuntu. In my Ubuntu I install it through, so I can have all the Johns I need. So I install it through Snap. So if you install it in Ubuntu as sudo snap install John the Ripper, you get all of this. So I can get John the Ripper dot KeePass. So I have it in Ubuntu this way. So what it say? The database for us is called decrypted database. So I can say decrypted database. What else? Then throw it to the hash. Okay, I can say database.hash. We done. Now what was the next step? We go to hashcat username, the hash, and the word list. I already has hashcat my database hash word list. If you don't have hashcat, you just install sudo apt install hashcat. So now let's try this one. I already did this one, so you can do show. Here it will give you the whole password. You don't need to guess it. So we have the password here. So we got the password now. Where am I now? This one gives us the full password. We don't need to do half-bake first pass and then look for the other one. Now this one also is good. Now you install it like that, but you need, if you are in Windows, I'm not in Windows, so you can do whatever you want in Windows. Now if you are in Ubuntu, depend on your version to install the .NET. If you are in Ubuntu, this is 2024 is my VM. In 24 you need to install, I think, version 7, this one, .NET 7. It works only in 7 if I'm not mistaken. This one only in 7. If you're not in 7, like my main computer, I think it's somewhere here. I think it's this one. You get this 8 and 6. 8 and 6, I think they're not working. They don't work. So you need to go back to the old Ubuntu. So you get ubuntu.net backstop repository to install version 7. So you install .NET for version 7 if I'm not mistaken, and then you install the runtime. I think SDK, maybe runtime is enough. You guys need to test it, I forgot, but runtime is I think is needed, or SDK is needed, one of them. So you need to install .NET in your computer if you are not a Windows machine. Now in my case I have it. So if I install it and follow these things, what he say, you get to clone the KeePass password dumper. I already have it. cd KeePass password dumper is this one. What he said dot run path to the dump. Okay, so he said dot run. I already dot what really the .net I already have it in my computer. Run, I go up, out, decrypted, memory dump. So we have the file. Now if I run it like that, you see this one is not like the other one. You remember the other one we got. The other one gave us full password. This one doesn't. He has one missing. That's why the ROM say what is the first part of the password and what's the second part of the password. So basically, this one you need to guess. And you can guess it's an exclamation mark. So now because we have that now, it's an exclamation mark. I can copy this. No, this one, no, this one is something else. And then I can go to this one. I can open file. This is the decrypt database we got. If I open it, let me add that exclamation mark, copy that one, and then that's the part of the U1, and that's UN entry. And that's it. So that's it, guys. That's how this ROM is. So it's not really confusing. So the first part is just extracted data. You search for KeePass exploit and you find two of them. So you have this one is just install. If you install cargo or something, it gives you the answer straightforward. I test the installation in my Ubuntu 20 and it does work fine. So it's not issue there. I hope I didn't confuse you guys for this. I think that's it. So this is how the installation. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, and hope you like it. And press like, guys, help the channel. Thank you very much and have a good day.